Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Off Campus. In this video we are going to see in vector calculus some important problems. It will be helpful for our upcoming TNEB and TRB exams. Previously we have posted many videos under vector calculus and solved many problems, that is most important and repeated questions asked in the exams. Okay, if you haven't seen those videos still, kindly check with the playlist. Let's go into the video. First question: find the directional derivative of phi equal to x squared yz plus 4xz squared at the point in the direction of ijk. So we are going to find out the directional derivative for the given one, okay, for the given problem. So what is the formula? Directional derivative d dot d equal to del phi dot a vector divided by modulus a vector. So phi is given, we are going to find out del phi. Del is, we know na, I into dou by dou x plus j into dou by dou y. For this problem I will write in elaborate. From the next problem itself we will do mental calculation, okay, because in our exam point of view we have no time, we have very short time now. So first this is, so dou by dou x of this term, then dou by dou y of this term, then dou by dou z of this term. So what is that? Dou by dou x of this term, what we will get? 2x yz plus this 4z squared, right, into I vector. Then dou by dou y of this term, what we will get? X squared z, there is no y term, into j cap. Then dou by dou z of this term, x squared y plus 2 into 4 8xz into k cap, k vector, okay. So del phi at the direction, at the point given, in which point 1 comma 1 comma 1 is nothing but x y z. Substitute x y z in place of x y z, substitute as 1 1 1, all are 1. So very simple. Then all are 1 means 2 plus 4, right, 2 plus 4 into I. For this 1 into 1 only into j, plus here 1 into 1 1, then 8 into 1 into 1, so into k. So what we will get? 6i plus j plus 9k. 6i plus j plus 9k, this is del phi. So we know that the given direction is nothing but take as a vector. So this is a vector. So del phi dot a. So what is the direction? Just substitute in the formula. Del phi is 6i plus j plus 9k. Dot product this I plus j plus k. This is a. Then divided by modulus a. Magnitude of this, what we will get? 1 square plus 1 square plus 1 square, we will get 1 plus 1 plus 1. So in numerator 6 into 1 6, 1 into 1 1, 9 into 1 9, in denominator root 3. So 7 16 by root 3. So for this problem answer is 16 by root 3, okay. We'll move on to the next one. For the irrotational vector f is given the scalar potential phi such that f equal to del phi. So we need to identify the phi value, scalar potential phi value, and then given f equal to del phi. So and also given irrotational vector f. So f equal to del phi means, how can we write del phi? I into dou phi by dou x, right, plus j into dou phi by dou y plus k into dou phi by dou az. Okay, this is f equal to del phi. From that we need to identify the which phi value. So f vector is given as this vector. So just write down, copy down 2xy z cube I plus x squared z cube j plus 3x squared y z squared k. Okay, just equate this. So in place of dou phi by dou x, what is that? This term dou phi by dou y, dou phi by dou z. So what is dou phi by dou x? 2xy z cube then dou phi by dou y, x squared z cube, then dou phi by dou z, 3x squared y z squared. Okay. So how can we find out phi? Just integrate with respect to x in this equation. In this term we will get phi now. Integration and differentiation get cancelled, we will get phi. Then with respect to x, so what we will get 2x square then by 2 y z cube plus function of y and z is constant. Okay, this is constant. So what we will get x squared y z cube plus function of y z. We will have we should take this as a constant y and z. Then for this also integrating with respect to y. So phi equal to with respect to y. So integral dy. This is constant x and z in this term. Then y, x squared z cube y plus function of x and z is constant. So this is phi. Here phi. So from this equation integrating with respect to z, taking these x and y as constant. So 3x squared y z squared, when we integrating with respect to z cube by 3 plus function of x and y is constant. So 3 and 3 get cancelled. What is phi here? Phi equal to x squared y z cube plus function of this. So see what is phi here in this t term, x squared y z cube, x squared y z cube, x squared y z cube. Obviously phi is nothing but x squared y z cube plus some constant. Then if V is equal to given is solenoidal, then find the value of del. So what is given? V is solenoidal means what this means? The given vector is del dot V is equal to 0. If it is solenoidal means this is divergence of that vector, the given vector is equal to 0. So del dot V equal to 0. So what is del? I into, repeat that, dou by dou x plus j into dou by dou y plus k into dou by dou z into dot product divergence this term x plus 3y into I plus y minus 2z into j plus x plus lambda z into k. Okay, simple. Then do I and I, dou by dou x of this, what we will get? That should be equal to 0. So given it is solenoidal na, so dou by dou x of this term we will get 3y nothing, right? Dou by dou x of this we will get 1 only. Dou x by dou x, these are with respect to y only, so it is constant, we will get 0 only, get 1. Then dou by dou y of this is dot product, so I into I only we have to take. Dou I into I, dou by dou x of this term. Then j into j, dou by dou y of this y minus 2z. Y minus 2z again we will get 1. So minus 2z is getting cancelled, right? Will get cancelled. So k into dou by dou z of this, what we will get? Plus lambda equal to 0. So lambda plus 2 plus lambda equal to 0. What is lambda? Lambda equal to minus 2. Obviously lambda value equal to minus 2. So this is the key point for this problem. The given vector is solenoidal, then divergence of that vector is equal to 0. So find out the divergence and equate to 0, we can find out the value of lambda. Then find A such that this vector is solenoidal. So the same thing, what is solenoidal? Take this vector as the given vector as f. Solenoidal means del dot f equal to 0. The same thing like above problem. So what is del? I into dou by dou x plus j into dou by dou y plus k into dou by dou z into dot product of the given thing. 3x minus 2y plus 2z. In our exam point of view, we can do in just do by dou s of this term and dou by dou y of this and dou by dou z of this in mental calculation. Okay. Now for our understanding I am writing fully. 3x minus 2y plus z into I plus 4x plus ay minus z into j plus x minus y plus 2z into k. Just do the dot product which is equal to 0 because the given is solenoidal. Then dou by dou x of this term, what we will get? 3. Then j dot dou by dou y of this term plus a. Then dou by dou z of this term we will get 2 equal to 0. So 5 plus a equal to 0. Obviously what is a? A is equal to minus 5. Option 3 is the right option. Okay. Then the directional derivative of the given. Phi value given and the point is given, direction also given. So what is the formula? Directional derivative d dot d in short del phi dot a vector divided by modulus a vector. What is a vector? This one. This phi is given, we are going to find out, we need to find out the del phi value and do dot product in the numerator, then find the magnitude of the a vector, then apply in this formula we can get the directional derivative, okay, for the given phi. So del phi, as I told you earlier, we will do mental calculation. Dou I is nothing but dou by dou x of this whole term. Phi is nothing but x squared yz plus 4x z squared, right? Then I into dou by dou x, right? I into dou by dou x of the dou phi by dou x is nothing but this one. So what we will get? 2xyz plus 4z squared into I vector. Then j into dou phi by dou y with respect to y. So x squared is z, there is no y term here, so j vector. Then dou phi by dou z, so x squared y plus 2z, so 8xz into k vector. So this is del phi. Then what is a vector? The given thing, 2i minus j minus 2k. So find out the magnitude of a vector. 4 plus 1 plus 4. What we will get? 5 plus 4 9, square root of 9 we will get 3. Okay, a vector 3. So del phi value no, a value no, modulus a. So apply in this formula, directional derivative is nothing del phi dot a. What is del phi? Okay. Before going into applying to the point is given now, we should apply that point and then find out. So in place of x, y, z, substitute this point, this value 1, minus 2, minus 1. So here itself we will calculate del phi at this point, 1, minus 2, minus 1. So 1 x, y, z. So x, y, z when we multiply 2. 2 into 2 already 1 2 is there na, 4 plus 4, okay. Then plus x squared is nothing but 1 only, this is x, y, z, x squared is z. So x squared is z means minus 1 into j plus x squared y minus 2 plus 8xz. xz value minus 1, so minus 8k. So what is a del phi value? 8i minus j minus 10k, right? 8i minus j minus 10k. So this is del phi at this point. Now we can apply in this formula del phi dot a vector divided by modulus of del phi here. So here itself we can numerator del phi dot a only na, we can do dot product. 8 into 2 what we will get? The numerator 16, minus into minus plus 1, minus into minus plus 20 divided by magnitude of a 3. So 17, 37, right? 37 by 3. So this is the directional derivative for this question. Option 2, 37 by 3 is the right option. If f equal to given vector it is solenoidal. So the same thing. Solenoidal means what is that? Del dot F is equal to 0 or divergence of the given vector is equal to 0. So find out the divergence value. So what is dou I into dou by dou x del value? J into dou by dou y plus k into dou by dou z into dot F vector, repeat, x plus z into I plus 3x plus ky into j plus x minus 5z into k, okay, which is equal to 0 because the given is solenoidal. So then find out dou I into I only, I dot I, j dot j, k dot k. So dou by dou x of this term what we will get? 1. Then plus dou by dou y of this term k only, right? These all get cancelled na, other with respect to other than y we will get that will get cancelled. Then k into this dou by dou z of this term minus 5. So what? K minus 4 is equal to 0. What is k? Obviously k is equal to 4. Option 4 is the right option. Then divergence of the given vector at the point is given. So divergence is nothing but del dot, take this as a vector f, del dot f we need to find out. So what is del I into dou by dou x plus j into dou by dou y plus k into dou by dou z into x squared I plus y squared j plus z squared k. So I dot I, j dot j, k dot k. So I dou by dou x of this term 2x plus dou by dou y of this term 2y, then dou by dou z of this term plus 2z. So this is del dot f, divergence of the given vector at this point also given. Point value is 1, 1, 1. So substitute x, y, z, 2x, 1, 1, 1. What we will get? Here, see, 2x. In place of x, y, z is 2, 2, 2. So 2, 2, 2 only. So 6. So divergence of this vector at the given point is nothing but 6. Option 2, 6 is the right option. Then the unit vector normal to the surface given. At this point, we need to find out the unit vector normal to the surface. What is the unit vector normal to the surface? So del phi divided by modulus del phi. So that is the formula. Unit vector normal to the surface is nothing but del phi divided by modulus del phi. So find out del phi and magnitude we can find out. So del phi is nothing but, as I told earlier, I into dou by dou x plus j into dou by dou y, that term, okay. So just repeat, I into dou by dou x plus j into dou by dou y plus k into dou by dou z into the given one, x squared y plus 2xz minus 4. Take this as phi equal to x squared y plus 2xz minus 4. So del phi, dou by dou x of this term, what we will get? 2xy plus 2z into I. Then dou by dou y of this term, x squared j plus dou by dou z of this term, dou by dou z means 2xk. Okay, so this is del phi. So this point is also given. So what is that point? 2 comma minus 2 comma 3, x, y, z. Substitute the values. So 2 into xy is nothing but minus 4, already 1 to minus 8 plus 2 into 3, 6 into I plus x squared is nothing but 4j plus 2x is 4k. So what we will get? Minus 4, 8 minus minus 2i plus 4j plus 4k. So this is del phi. Then what is the magnitude of that del phi? 4, 16 plus 16. So 32, 36. Square root of 36 is equal to 6. Okay, just substitute in this formula del phi by mod del phi. What is del phi? Minus 2i plus 4j plus 4k divided by 6. So take a in numerator take 2 outside, minus I plus 2j plus 2k divided by 6. Cancel this. So what is that? Minus I plus 2j plus 2k divided by 3. So this is the unit normal vector to the surface given at this point. Minus I plus 2j, this one. Option 4 is the right option. So we should know the formulas. Move on to the next problem. So this is C. What is that? Curl grade phi. So curl of gradient phi, this is a standard formula in vector calculus, is nothing but 0. Then divergence of curl f is also 0. So this is very important. These two will be asked very frequently. Okay. Curl of gradient of something is 0. Then divergence of curl of something also 0. Then for the irrotational vector f, given the scalar potential. So previously we have also solved no. So we need to find out the scalar potential, means we need to find at the phi value. Okay, f vector is given scalar potential. So what is f actually? Del phi. So del phi is nothing but, we will substitute. What is f vector? Del phi is equal to, what is del actually? I into, del phi is nothing but I into dou phi by dou x plus j into dou phi by dou y plus k into dou phi by dou z. So this is f vector. So f vector is also given here. Okay. So just substitute here y squared cos x plus z squared into I. Then 2y sin x minus 4 into j plus 3x z squared plus 2 into k. Then, so equate this. In place of dou phi dou x, this term dou phi dou y equal to this, dou phi by dou z equal to this term. Dou phi by dou y, dou x equal to this, y squared cos x plus z squared. Then what is x value? Just integrate with respect to x, keep y and z as a constant. Okay. So when we integrating, what we will get? So here in LHS we will get phi. Here cos x, when we integrating cos x we will get sin x. Now y squared sin x, this whole term with respect to x, y squared sin x plus z squared x, right, with respect to x. This then function of y and z as constant. So this is x value, not x value, phi value. Then dou phi by dou y is equal to this term 3x z squared plus 2, right. Then with respect to y integrating, we will get phi equal to, with respect to y na, 3x z squared y plus 2y plus function of x and z as constant. So this is also one of the phi value, right. 3x z squared y, sorry, this is, what is that? K. So dou phi by dou z, take this as dou phi by dou phi by dou y, this term. So with respect to x and y is constant. With respect to z, this is dou phi by dou z, right. So then dou phi by dou z equal to 3x z square plus, so what is phi? 3x z cube by 3 plus 2z plus function of x and y is constant. So x z cube plus 2z. Then function of x comma y, right. Am I right? Okay, this is dou phi by dou z. Then dou phi by dou y is equal to this term 2y. y sin x minus 4. So now with respect to y, integrate. So 5 value is equal to, with respect to y, so 2y squared by 2 will come. So we will write y squared sin x minus 4y plus function of x and z is constant. See, 5 value. So combine all 5 value. So y squared sin x is repeated in 2 times, right? Y squared sin x and y squared sin x, we can take it as 1. So y squared sin x plus z squared x or xz squared plus in this term xz cube plus 2z minus 4. This is minus 4y, with respect to y minus 4y, right? So this is 5. So we'll check y squared sin x plus xz squared minus 4y plus 2z plus xz squared. Okay. Okay, right? 3x z cube, the same thing. This is 5 value. Then we'll move on to the next one. The velocity vector for r equal to a cos ti b sin ti. So we need to find out the velocity of the, what is given r is nothing but distance. So what is the velocity? Is nothing but dr by dt, distance by time, right? So d by dt of this term a cos t I plus b sin t j. Just differentiate one time, we can get the velocity vector. So dou by dou t minus a sin t I plus b cos t j. So this one, option 3 is the right option. So then here see the acceleration for the given vector. So acceleration is nothing but take this as a vector acceleration. Okay. So what is that? D squared or by dt squared. This is distance. Okay. So d squared by dt squared. So d by dt of the given, differentiate 2 times, a cos omega t into I plus b sin omega t into j. So first differentiate with respect to one time. What we will get? Minus a sin omega t into omega into I plus b cos omega t into omega into j. Okay. Then differentiate with respect to t. So minus a cos omega t into omega, already one omega is there, so omega squared into cos omega t I vector plus b cos omega t, we will get minus b omega squared into sin omega t, right, into j. So this is the answer, very simple. So minus a omega squared cos omega t I, here plus. So plus, how it comes? This is minus only, na? 4, whether in the options are wrong? Okay, maybe option is wrong. Okay, this is minus only. So option 4. So we'll move on to the next problem. What is that? The temperature at any point is T equal to x plus y plus z. Then the direction in which temperature changes most rapidly with distance from the point is. So what is given? Temperature given. We need to find out the temperature changes most rapidly from the point. Point is also given. So we'll see how to solve this problem. This is very simple. Actually in the direction of del t, t changes most rapidly with the changes. So now what we need to identify from the problem, del t, we need to find out del t at the point given. This is the question asked. Okay, temperature changes in the direction in which the temperature changes most rapidly with the distance from the given point is nothing but del t at the given point. So find out del t. Del t is equal to I, what is del? Dou by dou x plus j into dou by dou y plus k into dou by dou z into t. T is nothing but x plus y plus z. Then dou by dou x of this term. What we will get? Dou by dou x I. Then dou by dou y of this whole term will get j. Dou by dou z will get k. So this is a del t. So dou by dou x of x I j k. So from at this point is also given. Point is nothing but substitute values for x, y, z. So there is no x, y, z. So simply del t, no need to substitute in this. Del t at this point is I plus j plus k. So in this direction, it will temperature is changes most rapidly. So in this, okay, see. So in this problem, in case for to confuse, they will, if they have a chance to give option as 3 also, because 1 plus 1 plus 1 we may have a do a mistake na. So we should be very careful in there is no x and y z, so no need to substitute the no value here. So simply I plus j plus k. Then maximum rate of change of temperature T at this point. So the same value is given. What is the difference between the same thing? So maximum rate of change of increase is nothing but maximum rate of change. How can we find out? Rate of change is nothing but magnitude of del T. Okay, simple. So previously the same point and same values, okay, same data is given as above. So I am not going to find it again. So del T at the given point is nothing but I plus j plus k. So no need to find out again here. So just find out the magnitude. Magnitude is nothing but 1 squared plus 1 squared plus 1 squared, simply root 3. So maximum rate of change of the temperature is nothing but root 3. Okay, then the third point, next problem, the rate of change of the temperature T at the given point in the direction. So the same thing now, this 3 problem we can find out 3 different method. Okay, 3 different method means 3 different way of finding. So here direction of temperature changes we need to find out, means we need to find out del T at the point. Okay, here maximum rate of means magnitude of that one. Here rate of change of the temperature, the same data in the direction given. So in the direction given, what we have to find out? Del phi divided by del phi dot A, that directional derivative formula. Okay, del T here, del T na, del T dot A vector divided by modulus A vector, very simple. So del T value we know from the above problem, I plus j plus k. So I plus j plus k into what is A? The same vector. A is also the same thing, dot product I plus j plus k. 3 different problems in the given the same data. We can find out the del T value and magnitude, maximum rate of change, then maximum rate of change in the given direction, directional derivative. Okay, from the same data we will find out different things. Okay, then here 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 3. So what we will get? 1 plus 1 plus 1, here root 3. So 3 by root 3. 3 by root 3, root 3, root 3. We can write it as root 3. Here root 3 cancel. So root 3. So root 3. Option 2, root 3 is the right option. Okay. Then the angle between these two surfaces given and the point is also given. We need to find out the cos theta value. See, cos theta value we need to find out. So angle between this is nothing but theta. We are going to find out the cos theta. In some other problem you should be very careful. In some other problem what is given, they are asked to find out the only the theta. Here we need to find out the cos theta. So cos theta formula is nothing but whenever two surfaces given, how can we find out? Del phi 1 dot del phi 2 divided by modulus del phi 1 then modulus del phi. So this is the value, sorry, this is the formula to find out the angle between the two surfaces at the point. Okay, so take this as a phi 1, then find out del phi 1, take this as a phi 2. Okay, so phi 1 phi 2, phi 1 x square plus y square plus z square minus 9, take this, okay, one side. So del phi 1 I into dou by dou x of this dou by dou z, I am not going to write it again, by doing mental calculation we are going to find out. So I into dou by dou x, what we will get? 2xi plus 2yj plus 2zk. So this is del phi 1. Then what is modulus? So okay, then what is the next step? Del phi 1 at the given point, 2 minus 1 2. So just substitute x, y, z. So 2 into 2 4i minus 2j plus 4k, right? 4i minus j minus 2j minus 4k. So this is the del phi 1 value. Then what is phi 2? Phi 2 is x squared plus y squared minus z minus 3. So del phi 2 value, dou by dou x, that term, what we will get? 2xi 2yj minus k, right? Dou by dou z of this term minus 1 into k. So there the given point 2 minus 1 2, substitute x, y, z. So 2 into 2 4i minus 2j minus k. So there is no x term, okay, there is no z term here, no need to substitute. By mistake we have a chance of substituting in place of k, we may have a chance to substitute as 2, so that is wrong. There is no z term, so simply it is k minus k, 4i minus 2j minus k. So this is del phi 2. So del phi 1 del phi 2 value given. So cos theta is nothing but, so del phi 1 value 4i minus 2j plus 4k dot 4i minus 2j minus k divided by magnitude of this one 16 plus 4 plus 16, here 16 plus 4 plus 1. See, dot product 16 plus 4 minus 4 divided by 16 plus 16 32, 32 square root of 32 plus 6, so, okay, 36, here 20 21, okay, 4 cancels, so 16 by 6 into square root of 21, square root of 6. So by cancel 8 times, this is 3 times, so 8 by 3 square root of 21 is equal to cos theta. So cos theta value only asked in the problem, okay. So 8 by 3 root 21, this is the correct one, okay. We'll move on to the next problem. The magnitude of the velocity of a particle which moves along the curve x given, y given, z given. We need to find out the magnitude of the velocity of the particle. So magnitude of the velocity is nothing but, so take this as a, so magnitude of velocity is nothing but modulus v vector. Take velocity as a v vector, so we are going to find out the magnitude means modulus of v, we are going to find out. So first of all, how can we find out the velocity? So what is given data x, y, z? Take what is r? R is nothing but distance. Distance we know xi plus yj plus zk. Just substitute x, y, z value. 2 sin 4t I plus 2 cos 4t j plus 6t k. This is r vector. So what is v vector? Velocity is nothing but dr, differentiating with respect to t we can get the velocity. So just differentiate this equation with respect to t. So 2 into cos 4t into 4 into I, then 2 minus sin 4t into 4 into j, then here 6k, right? So what is V vector finally? 2 into 4, 8, right? 8 cos 4t I minus 8 sin 4t j plus 6k. So then what we need to find? The magnitude of velocity is nothing but magnitude of this one, okay? So this one, so 8 squared cos squared 4t, then plus 8 squared sin squared 4t plus 6 squared 36, right? So here 8 squared what? 64. 64 is common. I will write here square root of 64. Take 64 in this two term is common. So what we will get? Cos squared theta plus cos squared 40 plus sin squared 40. So obviously 1 plus 36. So 64 plus 36 is square root of 100. What is that? 10. So what is velocity? 10. Answer 10. Okay. Magnitude of velocity means we need to find out modulus V. From that form the distance vector from the given data, then differentiate with respect to t, then find out the magnitude value. Simple. Then the same thing, same data I think. 2 sin 40, 2 cos 40, 260, magnitude of acceleration. So take acceleration we need to find out. So up to we no need to find it out again. So what is magnitude of for the same data na, so I am not going to repeat it. D squared r by dt squared. D by dt we can find out na, dr by dt. dr vector by dt, what is that? 8 cos, this is velocity. So 8 cos 4t, I am just copy down here because same data only, minus 8 sin 4t j plus 6k. Then now differentiate with respect to t again, second derivative. So here a cos 40 is minus sin 40 into 4, already 8, so minus 32 sin 4t I, then minus 32 cos 4t j plus this is what? There is no, this is a simple constant. When we differentiating we will get 0 only. So this is a vector, simply a vector. So then find out magnitude of that a vector is nothing but square root of 32 squared sin squared 4t plus 32 squared cos squared 4t. So take 32 squared common, then sin squared 40 plus cos squared 40. Cos squared 40 we will get 1. So square root of 32 square is simply 32. So this is magnitude of acceleration value is nothing but 32. Option 4. Okay. Then the next problem, the normal derivative of this one at the given point. What is the normal derivative actually? What is asked in the question? Normal derivative means del phi at this point. Magnitude of del phi we need to find out. This is the question. Normal derivative is nothing but magnitude of del phi. So take this as del phi. So find out, so take this as phi, find out del phi. I into dou by dou x of this, dou by dou x of this, what we will get? I am not going to repeat it as I said earlier. I into this term, dou by dou x of this term, what we will get? Y plus z, right? Into I. Then dou by dou y of this, what we will get? X plus z into j. Then dou by dou z of this term, then what we will get? Y plus x. So this is del phi. So del phi at the given point minus 1 comma 1 comma 1 x y z, just substitute x y value. So y plus z, what we will get? 2ij. Then x plus z get cancelled now, so 0j. Y plus x also 0k. So del phi at this point is 2i minus 1 comma 1 comma 1. So we need to find out magnitude of del phi square root of 2 squared, simply 2. Okay, 2 is the right answer. Then move on to the next one. So just read out the vector calculus is very easy subject, all based on the formula, direct questions only, no tricky question in that. So we should know each and every formula. It is very easy to solve. Okay, then unit normal. What is the formula for unit normal? Del phi divided by modulus del phi, very simple. So first find out del phi value, then magnitude of this, then apply in this formula. Okay, del phi value. So what is phi here? X squared minus y squared plus 2z minus 2. The given point is also given. Then del phi value. So del phi I into dou by dou x of this term, what we will get? 2xi minus 2yj. This is 2z. 2z, what we will get? Simply 2k. Then substitute this point in place of x, y, z. So 2 into 1, 2i, minus into minus plus 2j, plus here there is no z term. So simply 2k. So this is a del phi. Then magnitude of del phi, what we will get? See, square root of 2 squared plus 2 squared plus 2 squared, 4 plus 4 plus 4, 12. So unit normal, just substitute del phi is 2i plus 2j plus 2k. Then modulus of del phi 12, square root of 12. Okay, take 2 outside, I plus in numerator, I plus j plus k. Here it can be written as square root of 4 into 3 na. Square root of 4 will take outside as 2 root 3. So square root of 12 can be written as 2 root 3. 2 get cancelled. What is I plus j plus k divided by root 3. So option 1 is the right option. Then the same thing, the unit normal to the surface we are going to find out from the given point. Okay, the same thing, del phi, here f is given, so del f divided by mod del f we need to find out. So f is given na, so from that find out del f. So del f, what is the del f? So find out I into dou f by dou x, this term. So which one is with respect to first and two terms? So 3x squared minus yz into I plus dou f by dou y. Dou f by dou y, this only with respect to y. So minus xz into j. Then dou f by dou z, two term, minus xy plus 3z squared into k vector. Now substitute this point 1 comma 1 comma 1, substitute x y z as 1 1 1. So 3 minus 1 2, so 2y, then minus j, here minus 1 3 plus 3 minus 1 2 plus 2k. So del phi. So I am doing only mental calculation, should be very fast while doing exams. Okay, 2i minus j plus 2k, but careful in the all the positive and negative sign, and doing simplification we will be very careful in the numerical and as well the sign. Okay, so this is del phi value. So what is modulus del phi? Magnitude 4 plus 1 plus 4. So 8 plus 1 square root of 9, obviously 3. So very simple, just substitute formula del phi divided by modulus del phi. So 2i minus j plus 2k divided by 3. So very simple, this is the answer, option 3. Okay. Then move on to the next one, the magnitude of maximum directional derivative. So magnitude of maximum directional derivative is nothing but modulus del phi. We need to find out. This is the maximum directional derivative is nothing but del phi. Magnitude of this is modulus del phi. So phi value given, del phi is find out I into dou phi by dou x. So 2x I minus 4yj plus 8zk. Then substitute this value point 1 comma 1 comma minus 1 x y z. So 2I minus 4j minus 8k. So this is a del phi value 2I minus 4j minus 4k. So the what is the maximum directional derivative is nothing, magnitude of that is magnitude value 4 plus 16 plus 64. So 20 square root of 84, square root of 84, see the option. So okay, can be written as 21 into 4, so 2 I would say, so 2 root 21, 2 root 21, option 2 is the right option. Okay, first understand the question, what is given and what we need to find out. Very simple, direct formula substitution as I told earlier. So then the equation of tangent plane to the surface xyz equal to 5 at I plus 2j plus 2k is. So we are going to find out the equation of the tangent plane. So what is the formula to find out the equation of the tangent plane? Already we have solved problem in that. Okay, equation of tangent plane and the equation of normal plane. What is the equation of tangent plane? R minus R naught or a vector. So any vector r minus a vector or r minus r naught, we can name it as any vector. So r vector minus a vector dot del phi. So this is the equation of tangent plane. Then what is the equation of normal plane? If in case asking, we have one more question here. Okay, we'll see in the next problem, equation of the normal. So first find out the equation of the tangent plane is nothing but r minus a dot del phi. So phi equal to this one, x y z minus phi. So this is a vector, the given direction. So what is r vector? We know na, xi plus yj plus zk. So first find out del phi, then r minus a. So r minus a find out, r vector minus a vector, simply this minus this. So what we will get, x minus 1 into I plus y minus 2 into j plus z minus 2 into k, right? X minus 1 into I, y minus 2 into j, z minus, just the subtraction. Then find out del phi. Del phi value from this. So I into dou by dou x of this term. So y z I plus with respect to y x z k j plus x y k, right? So this is del phi value. Okay, so we'll find out that r minus r naught, x minus 1, what is r minus a, x minus 1 into y plus y minus 2 into j plus this. Okay, I missed the problem somewhere. Wait, I will check 1 second. Wait for few minutes, guys, because point is I have not written now. From this, from which point? From the point only we can find out the del phi at this point, right? Wait. Okay. From the given itself we can find out the point. Point is this one, 1 2 2. in this point only the plane we are going to find out the tangent plane to the surface at this point 1 comma 2 comma 2 in place of x and y is at 1 2 2. So del phi at 1 comma 2 comma 2. So just substitute x y z value. So y is at 4i plus x is at 2j plus xy plus 2k, right? 4i plus 2j plus 2k. So from the given point. So this is a del phi value. Next, what is the stuff? R minus a into, so find out r minus a dot del phi. So r minus a into, just do the dot product. So it is equation 1 and it is equation 2, just do the dot product here. So I and I term multiply. So 4 into here x minus 1 into here 4 na. 4 into x minus 1 plus 2 into y minus 2 plus 2 into z minus 2 equal to 0. So this is the equation here also, r minus r vector minus a vector dot del phi equal to, so this is the equation of the tangent plane, so equal to 0. Then multiply inside and simplify 4x minus 4, 2y minus 4 plus 2z minus 4 equal to 0. Then 4x plus 2y plus 2z minus 12 equal to 0. So divided by 12, 2. So 2x plus y plus z minus 6 equal to 0. So 2x plus y plus z equal to 6. So here, so this will go obviously equal to 6. Option 4. So what is the question given? The equation of the tangent plane we need to find out. Phi value given, distance vector is given, okay, direction vector also given. So equation of the tangent plane, what is the formula? R vector minus a vector dot del phi equal to 0. So what is r vector? This one. A vector the given, phi also given. So del phi value we need to find out. Then r minus a vector. So r minus a vector. So del phi at the given point. Point is 1 2 2. Substitute and find out. Then do the divergence dot product. We can simplify and solve the equation, okay. Then as I said earlier, we can find out now we can find out equation of the normal to the surface. So what is the formula to find out the equation of normal to the surface? Okay, it's nothing but the same thing, r vector minus a vector cross product del phi equal to 0. Okay, the same data is given, right? This x y z equal to 5 and the direction the same thing. So we will find out what is r vector minus a vector. I am not going to repeat, okay. What is previously we have find out now, x minus 1 into I plus y minus 2 into j plus z minus 2 into k. So this is r vector, r minus a. So del phi value also we know. What is that? 4i plus 2j plus 2k. So now do the cross product. So ijk method, r minus a cross del phi I j k. Then the next term, x minus 1 y minus 2 into z minus 2 equal to 0 na, r minus a into del cross I equal to 0. Then the third one, del phi 4 2 2. So just expand and simplify, we will get the equation. So I into y minus 2 into 2 into y minus 2 minus 2 into z minus 2 minus j into 2 into x minus 1 minus 4 into z minus 2 plus k into 2 into x minus 1 minus 4 into y minus 2. Okay. So now we are going to for equating the ij components equal to 0. So can we write like this 0i plus 0j plus 0k like, okay. So I equal to 0. So 2 into y minus 2, see 2 into y minus 2 minus 2 into z I and I term, then equate j and j term, then k and k term equal to 0. Similarly this term 2 into x minus 1 minus 4 into z minus 2 equal to 0. Then fourth term, what is that? 2 into x minus 1 minus 4 into y minus 2 equal to 0. So from these 2 and 2 get cancelled. So y minus 2 equal to z minus 2. Here divided by 2, what we will get? X minus 1 is equal to 2z minus 2. Here also x minus 1 into 2y minus 2, right? So see, y minus 2 equal to z minus 2. So here in this equation x minus 1 equal to 2 into y minus 2, right? So this will come here. So x minus 1 by 2 equal to y minus 2. In this equation x minus 1 by 2 equal to y minus 2. Then what is y minus 2 is, which is equal to z minus 2, right? So this is the equation equal to 0, or simply this one equal to 0. So x minus 1 by 2 y minus 2 equal to z minus 2. So according to the problem, x minus 1 by 2 y minus 2 into z minus 2. So which one? 69, this one, option 1, right? This one, option 1 is the right one. Can you understand, guys? In this point equate this. So see, x minus 1 by 2 is equal to y minus 2, that y minus 2 is equal to z minus 2. So this is the equation of the normal plane. So what is the formula? We should be very thorough. For tangent plane, the same thing, dot del phi. For a normal plane, cross del phi equal to 0. Just substitute all values and then find out. So here v given, then del squared v. Del squared v is nothing but, what is the del squared v? Del squared v is nothing but del dot del v. So find out del v value, then dot product. So del dot del v means, what is that? I will write elaborately. So what is del? I into dou v by dou x plus j into dou v by dou y plus k into dou v by dou z. So here del is nothing but I into dou by dou x plus j into dou by dou y plus k into dou by dou z dot this term I into dou v by dou x plus j into dou v by dou y plus k into dou v by dou z. So do the dot product I dot I. So what is that? Dou squared v by dou x squared. So del square is nothing but dou squared v by dou x squared, dou squared v by dou y squared plus dou squared v by dou z. Very simple. So v value given, x squared minus y squared plus z. Just substitute here. V is equal to, I will write here, x squared minus y squared plus 2. So here what we will get? Double time we are going to, first time we will differentiate with respect to x. So one time we will get 2x plus dou by dou of, by differentiating one time we will get 2y. So this term is constant, we will get 0 only. So again with differentiation 2, here minus 2. So 2 minus 2 0. What is obviously del squared V? For this problem it is 0. Option 1 0 is the right option. So actually we need to know how it will come. Del squared V we can write this del dot del V. So we will know del, what is del and del V. So it is very simple. Del squared V is nothing but, in short we can write it as del squared V equal to dou squared V by dou x squared, dou squared V by dou squared by dou x squared, dou squared V by dou y squared, dou squared V by dou z squared. So then substitute V value and then differentiating 2 times. We will get the answer as 0 for this problem. The third one, what is that? The next one, sorry. The vector f equal to, we need to find out whether it is solenoidal or irrotational for del squared f equal to 0 or del f equal to 0. So we, from the option only we can find out. We should first we'll check for the solenoidal and then check for the solenoidal means del dot f. We need to identify that should be equal to 0. Irrotational means del cross f should be 0. Then del squared f find out. Del squared f is nothing but previous problem, dou squared f by dou x squared, dou squared f by dou y squared, that should be equal to 0. Then del f, just differentiate one time, equal to 0. So for that first we will find out for solenoidal. So del dot f, what is I into dou by dou x plus j into dou by dou y plus k into dou by dou z. Then f vector yi plus zj plus xk, we need to find out. Del dot f will find out dou by dou x of this term I dot I. So this is 0 only. Then dou by dou y of z 0. Dou by dou z of x 0. So 0 plus obviously 0. So del dot f equal to 0. Obviously the given is solenoidal. So I am not going to find it or check it again. You will check for the rest of the one whether it will come 0 or some other value, means this is the right option. You will check it for curl f and these other 3. Okay. So for this problem, this is del dot f equal to 0 means obviously it is solenoidal given vector. So divergence grade phi equal to, divergence grade phi means, what is grade phi actually? Divergence of grade phi is nothing but del phi. Divergence of del phi is nothing but del dot del phi. Del dot del phi is nothing but del squared phi. So divergence of grade phi is nothing but del squared phi. Then del of log r. So we have one formula already proven this, del of f of r. This is a standard formula. What is the formula? Del of f of r is nothing but f dash of r divided by r into r vector. Okay. Del of f of r is nothing but, or you can find it of I into dou by dou x, j into dou by dou y, then substitute, then find out all this option you will get. For in simple, del of f of r is nothing but f dash of r divided by r into r vector. So what is f of r? F of r is log r. F dash of r is differentiating with respect to. So whenever differentiating f dash of r, what we will get ma? Del of log r is equal to f dash of r, 1 by r na? 1 by r. Already one r is there in the denominator. So 1 by r squared into r vector. So del of f of r is nothing but r vector divided by r squared. So very simple. Just apply the formula and then find out. Then next one. If u equal to x squared plus y squared plus z squared, then del cross del u. Del cross del u. You can find it out directly. So del value, then cross product. Okay. From this you can find out. But you should know the formula. So del cross is nothing but curl. Curl. This is del u is nothing but grade. So curl of grade of anything we will get 0 only. You can check it now. This is also one of the formula. Previously we have seen curl of grade here. Curl of grade phi equal to 0 only. This is a standard formula. So curl of grade u, you can blindly take it as 0. Okay. No need to solve and waste your time. Then the last question in the session. So what is given? At the point given 1 comma minus 1 comma 2 surfaces given. So we need to identify whether it is orthogonal or parallel or angle between them is pi by 4. So from this option how can we find out? So we need to find out the angle cos theta. From the cos theta value theta value we know. First we will know the cos theta formula, del phi 1 dot del phi 2 divided by mod del phi 1 mod del phi 2. So take it as phi 1, this is phi 2, and then find out del phi 1 del phi 2 at the given point, then substitute in the formula. So del phi 1, so this one phi x square minus 2yz minus 9x. So del phi 1 I into dou by dou x, this term. So with respect to x we will have 2, we are having 2. So 10x minus 9 into I plus dou phi by dou y, with respect to y 1 only, minus 2z j plus dou phi by dou z, we are having 1 only, so minus 2y k. So at the given point 1 comma minus 1 comma 2, so x y z, just substitute x y z value as 1 comma minus 1 comma 2. So x value 10 into 1 10, 10 minus 9 I, then minus 2 z, minus 2 z, 2 z value 2, 2 into 2 minus 4j, then minus 1 plus 2k. So this is del phi 1 value. Okay, take it as equation 1. Del phi 1 value is nothing but I minus 4j plus 2k. Then we'll find out del phi 2 value. What is phi 2? Phi 2 is, I will write here, 4x squared y plus z cube minus 4. Okay, so find out del phi 2 value, dou by dou x of this thing. So 8xy I plus dou by dou y of this, what we will get, 4x squared j plus 3z squared k. Then this point 1 comma minus 1 comma 2 x y z, substitute. So x y what we will get, minus 8i plus 4x squared 4 only, 4j plus 3z squared is 4, 12k. So what is del phi 2 value? Del phi 2 value is nothing but minus 8i plus 4j plus 12k. So we'll find out del phi 1. I will write here for our del phi 1 is I minus 4j plus 2k. From this for this the modulus magnitude also we will find out here. So what is that? 1 plus 16 plus 4, 21. So square root of 21. So del phi 2 minus 8i plus 4j plus 12k. Modulus del phi 2. So 64 plus 16 plus 144. So what we will get? Solving 64, 144, around 224, right? Adding modulus del phi 2. Just substitute in this formula, cos theta equal to del phi 1 dot del phi 2. This and this. Okay, do dot product and then minus 8 minus 16 plus 24 in the numerator. What is in the denominator? Modulus del phi 1 square root of 21 modulus del phi 2 square root of 224. So here minus 8 minus 16 plus 24. So minus 24 plus 24, 0. So 0 only. Cos theta value is 0. We need to find out theta. Theta equal to cos inverse of 0 is nothing but 90 degree. Cos inverse is 0. What is theta actually? 90 degree. So theta equal to 90 degree means it is obviously the given two surfaces are orthogonal. So okay, orthogonal. Option 1 orthogonal is the right option. Okay, we will solve up to this. We have solved many, almost 100 problems in vector calculus. In our future videos also we are going to solve more and more problems. That is very important for our competitive upcoming exams. Okay, so kindly stay tuned to our channel and subscribe our channel Off Campus, and then click on the bell icon also, then only you will receive notification whenever we upload videos. Thanks for watching.